Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kat nang jan kisngi sak election si benta na kejipun kre yakni ke election ro banjet mai economic mat sakayang darbar thawan ke Jylla. Lasakhi bakisang ki bahe akan negara India, kilawan yalam da kinang yalam ki bahakli jong keseng man pensyai yo pat ba yakimat trikam jongki. Dang hne kesngi ro ka khat artrek rompang keseng Bharatiya Janata Party ha ke jinglang ke beralong hapo office trikam jongka kabaran hapo Viver Road Shillong. Lawan banjiran rengkat ru da wei ni kinoi lam bahalor jong BJP Urajiv Pratap Rudi ubadai ru MP rengkat unong aktien jong ne keseng unhalin koli ubadai kmi ru ya ke Jylla Meghalaya ha por election bat kinoi lam jong ke BJP Meghalaya State Union hadin ke jinglang ke bahapo yeng jongki kini ki he ke BJP na Delhi kilai kendu ru ya kenong pasai kobor ke Jylla ban pen pa yu kenong rem jong ke jingwan jongki syakni ke Jylla ha kini ke kenti.
In the state of Meghalaya, which has approximately 55 tribal seats, the true essence of the country is felt here. The legacy, the traditions, the recognition, the formation of a state for people of about 3 million. It has a major significance for the Union government. And for the Prime Minister, the Look East policy has a major focus, in particular in Meghalaya, because it's a society which is far evolved, far progressive, far conscious. The youth is vibrant, they have aspirations. But we can sadly tell you, right from Meghalaya and the feedback which we get in Delhi, Meghalaya has trailed in previous governments. It's not performed. And I'm most amused, the only place which I could see the positive symptoms of development, and which of course is a work of the Union government, is the beautiful road which brings you from Guwahati to Shillong. But the moment you enter this state headquarters, a legacy from very old times post-independence, well, as my friend Nalin Kohli was saying, organizing a state to have state-of-art infrastructure is no rocket science. To have a parallel system for roads, transport, municipality, electricity, welfare, infrastructure for sports, you do not require any rocket science. It's the will of the government. The vision of the Prime Minister has to be brought to the state of Meghalaya. The vision of the National President of the Bharatiya Janata Party has to be brought. My friends have been referring to a lot of scams and all. They are there. They are there because it's an intrinsic part of the government here. The vision of the leadership of the Congress, which has been ruling the state for a very long period, is absent. They have been decimated across the country. Congress has lost its foothold across the country. And the last few states are crumbling, and one of them is the state of Meghalaya. As far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, we have a clear manifesto. Our manifesto talks about development. It will be released shortly. It's an assumed manifesto that development is our core. And other things, and I think when you move out of this room, I think those sentences of the Prime Minister matters a lot to the state of Meghalaya. That my religion, the government's only religion is India first, and the government's only religious book of the Prime Minister in India is the Indian Constitution. And our dedication is for Bharat Bhakti. And our prayer, which is also true in the state of Meghalaya, is welfare of all.